A severe thunderstorm is in effect for Lassen County, Lyon County, Carson County, and Dayton County. Lightning and damaging winds is still a threat for your area. Have batteries, a radio, flashlights, and candles if you are suffering from power outages. Stay away from windows, unplug all electrical devices, and do not use your phones in your home unless it is an absolute emergency. Again, a severe thunderstorm is in effect for your area. Seek shelter now. High wind warning watches are still a threat for all counties that are in the path of this storm. Keep your eyes on the weather for further updates.